I would definitely recommend this to other students because fear and being a person of ethnic minority is something that go hand in hand. What surprised me most about the program is how open everyone has been when talking collectively. Everyone has decided to put themselves out of their comfort zone, get forward and speak about the issues that they have come through on a day-to-day basis and over their life, and how it can excel them to be better people overall. I've learned more things about myself listening to others, because there's some things I would never would have thought about in my context, but then I've put it to myself and realised, oh, I would do those tendencies, oh, sometimes I'll be shy in those situations, so it makes you realise other things about yourself that you never would have. And being around people that are in the same boat gives you the opportunity to express yourself and learn from others, and I think that's the only way to be progressive, because we all want the goal at the same day as more equality and for us black people, and to not be underrepresented in the world, and this is a great way to start.